Today we're going to demonstrate the accuracy of a RAD pneumatic torque wrench. The RAD pneumatic torque wrench is the most accurate and repeatable pneumatic torque wrench available today on the market. We will be demonstrating with the RAD 10GX model to show the repeatability with an independent torque transducer. The first setup, we will do 3 passes, setting the tool at 40 psi. The first pass shows a torque output of 448 foot-pounds. The second pass shows a torque output of 438 foot-pounds. And the third pass shows a torque output of 442 foot-pounds, bringing the RAD torque wrench in at a better than 2% repeatability. We will now set the tool up to 60 psi. The first pass at 60 psi shows a torque output of 660 foot-pounds. The next pass shows an output of 668 foot-pounds. And the final pass shows an output of 652 foot-pounds. Again, bringing the full-scale repeatability at better than 2% for the RAD pneumatic torque wrench.